Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to my Patreon channel. Today we're going to go over a basic blues progression in E on your soprano ukulele or concert ukulele as I'm playing here. For those of you who sometimes play with guitar players, you're going to run into this key a lot. And I know it's sometimes challenging for ukulele players to spend all their time playing in G or C to suddenly adapt to E. We're going to show you a couple little tricks to make it easier for you. So we're going to be using our E chord, and we're using a bar E. That's the 4th fret, and I want to point out that we're dealing with only getting a good clean signal out of the low G, C, and E string. We're not going to care about our A string. We don't need that sound, that string to ring. We need these ones to ring. And we're going to use that. We're going to use our A. And we're going to use our B, which is covering the 4th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the C string, and a bar across the 2nd fret of our E and A string. All right, so let's put that all together. We want basic 12-bar pattern. It's going to be 4 bars of E, 2 bars of A, 2 bars of E, 1 bar of B, 1 bar of A, and 1 bar of E, ending on our B. That's our final chord. And we're going to do it like this. We've got our basic pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, A and E and B and A and E, ending on B. I said, now hey, baby, don't you wanna go? I said, hey, don't you want to E? Back to that B and A and E, ending on our B. Now, I want you to notice with my strumming hand, I'm just strumming open hand. You could use your single finger if that's how you strum. But I'm strumming open hand, and I'm accenting beats 2 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's what you're hearing. Hey, baby, don't you wanna go? And A, don't you want to E? Back to that B and A and E, B. So that's the basic progression. You want to practice those until you got them down cold, because you're going to use this a lot. One thing you're going to do, though, to make that E a little more interesting is we're going to use a shuffle on it. We're going to do that by covering our bar, and we're going to add our ring finger to fret 6 of our G string. So we got our basic E, and then adding that on the 2nd beat and 4th beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A and E and B and A and E, ending on B. I said, hey, baby, don't you wanna go? And A, don't you want to E? And B and A and E, ending on B. So there's the basic shuffle on E. Now if you want to use your A shuffle, you're going to take your A chord and you're going to add the 2nd fret on the E string. So that is, you're covering the 2nd fret on the G string, the 1st fret on the C string, and you'll be adding in that 2nd fret on the E. So it sounds like this. 1. So kind of exactly like the E, except in a different place, but it's the same kind of addition. And that's it. That's your basic progression. So we're going to be going along with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, baby, don't you want to go? And that's it. That's your basic progression in E. And there's a few other little tricks we can add. For one, instead of a B major chord, we can use a B7, which is where you put a bar completely across that second fret and add your middle finger to the third fret of the C string. That's a B7 chord, but if you're not comfortable with bars, that's a little difficult to get into. So you can just stick to the main B chord. And you can also, at the very end, when you're doing your last bar of E before the change, you could go to your E7. So it would sound like, hey, baby, don't you want to go? And A, don't you want to E? Back to that B, and A, and E7. That's a little bit of pizzazz, a little something for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you with another key next week, or in 2 weeks, or sometime in a regular schedule. I've been really busy. You probably noticed I haven't posted a lot on here lately. You know, the truth is, I have been really busy running the Osprey Arts Center here in Shelburne, Nova Scotia, and it's a performing arts center where we present live music, dance, and theater. This is a new job for me. I took a job. Oh my gosh, I've been touring for 10 years, and this opportunity came up to do something for my community and to stay home a little more. My goal initially was to make these videos more regularly for you, but I found out it was a lot more work than I expected. Anyway, I'm going to do my best to get back on track for you, and I want to thank you for sticking around. And in the meantime, have a good day.